In this video, I'm breaking down how to fix your AC drain line when it's causing water damage to your concrete and soil so you can stop the mess before it gets worse. Alright, so here's the deal with your AC condensate drain pipe dumping water right onto your concrete foundation and soil. It's a common problem, but totally fixable if you know what to do. First up, you want to redirect that water away from your foundation because constant moisture is a recipe for erosion and green algae buildup, like you're seeing. Extending the pipe is a smart move, but since you can't just run it straight out because it blocks the way, think about adding an elbow or two to guide the water around obstacles. Using PVC piping is usually the easiest and most durable option, and make sure all joints are sealed tight so no leaks happen along the way. Another option is installing a drain pan or a catch basin under the pipe's outlet. This helps collect water and directs it safely underground or into a proper drainage area. Gravel or a French drain setup can also help soak up excess water in soil-heavy spots so it doesn't pool near your house. Avoid just letting the water fall onto bricks or loose soil because that'll only speed up erosion. And don't forget to check your gutters and downspouts too, because if they're dumping water near that same area, you're doubling down on the problem. One of the biggest mistakes I see with AC drainline fixes is ignoring the slope. Your pipe absolutely needs to angle downward away from the foundation so water flows naturally without pooling. Another common issue is using the wrong materials. Cheap hoses or flexible tubing might look easy but often crack or clog fast, so stick with rigid PVC. Lastly, people sometimes forget to clear clogs regularly. Those drain lines can get gunked up with algae or dirt, causing backups that overflow where you don't want them. A quick flush with a vinegar solution every few months keeps things clean and flowing smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you want pros to handle this stuff without the headache. They link homeowners with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to sort out drainage issues like this. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, they help you connect with loads of homeowners needing your skills, which is pretty clutch for keeping busy.